Welcome to this short whiteboard video on brainstorming techniques to start your business from home. So when it comes to brainstorming, firstly, it's really important we put our creative thinking caps on. There are things that spark creativity, like asking questions, having a calm, focused environment, being in a flow state, keeping an open mind, maintaining optimism, starting questions with things like, I wonder, and building on ideas. Things that kill creativity, on the other hand, are things like forcing an answer, multitasking, interruptions, criticism and negativity, too much analysis early on, and shooting ideas down before you have a chance to build on them. When it comes to staring at a blank page, a lot of us feel fear. It's quite intimidating to look at something blank and try to work out where to go from there. So finding creative solutions relies on us having a deep understanding of the problem. And the way we want to structure our brainstorm is to ask questions about the what, the who, the where, the when, the with, and the how. So we start our brainstorm session with a problem statement. For example, many children and teens are struggling at school and falling through the cracks of the education system. Our brain operates in two modes. The first mode some people call left brain, but really it's our analytical executive mode. It's a part of our brain that's looking for answers, looking for things we can do, and it will focus on shoulds. Therefore, we should do 1, 2, 3 in order to solve the problem. And it sends us into action, into execution. The right brain, or our mind-wandering mode, where we're able to creatively innovate and ideate, involves a mindset where we approach a problem open-mindedly. We say things like, I'm curious about why this is happening. And we come up with a range of questions. We're not trying to do anything yet, we're just asking the question. So structuring your brainstorming sessions using the following questions can be really valuable. And you want to list as many reasons as you can think of for each of these questions to start your research after you finish your brainstorm session. So the first question is, why is this a problem and what are the potential causes? Maybe it's things like funding or politicians or people in power. Question 2, who's looking for help to solve this problem? Parents of these children and teachers and others. What results are these people looking for? What benefits would they want to see happen to feel like the problem has been solved? Question 4, what solutions are out there, like books and online resources? Question 5, what are the limitations of these solutions? Time, money, the skill sets of the children you're trying to help. Question 6, where are people looking for help? Is it conversations at the weekend barbecue? Is it fellow parents? Is it the principal? When are they looking for help? Are there seasonal differences? Are they more likely to be looking for help in the holidays, or are they more likely to be looking for help during the school year? Who influences decision making? So if someone was going to seek out a solution, what would influence that process? Who would influence that process? And question 9, what tools are people using to help solve this problem and to find out about how to solve this problem? Things like their computer or their phone. By asking questions and blowing this problem up, we're able to get a much deeper understanding of what the problem involves and therefore new innovative ways to solve that problem. If you'd like to structure your brainstorming session using these questions, you can download the cheat sheet that goes along with this video in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you've got questions about building your MVP, leave it in the comments and it might just be featured on a future episode. Check out what's up next for more content from my channel.